So the site is now live on golfnearby.net. I've added a quick title, an introduction to the home page, and then we have the links into the states, which we created in the previous video. So in this video, we're going to quickly go over some indexation tips. And the main one really is we've already done. So we've already done these landing pages by state, which links into all of the golf courses for that state. And then we've added some extras on the sidebar, which is all of the states. And then on the individual golf course pages as well, we've created this random list of other golf courses in the state that this one is in. So this will help us to get as many internal links between these golf courses as possible to hopefully help Google to find them. So what we'll do is go into RankMath sitemap. So RankMath has created this sitemap for us, and it's split out all of the courses into individual sitemaps, each of them containing 200 URLs by default, which should make it nice and easy for Google to find them all. Generally, if I'm doing a programmatic site with code, I would try and limit my sitemaps to 10,000 at a maximum. You can do 50,000, but from some pretty smart SEOs that I follow, they've experimented with this, and 10,000 is about the sweet spot. With RankMath and WordPress, you don't have to worry about it, so it doesn't really matter. We can just take this as is and then put it into Google Search Console, which I've already set up and verified, and then we add that in there. And that'll take some time for Google to figure that out. So I'll come back in a future video and see how many pages have been indexed according to this, but it might take a couple of weeks. The other thing we can do is in RankMath, I forget where it is, sitemap settings, no, general settings, and then edit robots text. Oh, they've already added it in for us, have they? It's hard to see. It just looks like an example. Okay, so they've already added the sitemap in there to robots text. That's fine. So that was another thing that I would normally do on my sites that RankMath handles for you. So now another option I like is if we head to the home page, and if I highlight all of these links, and then where is it? Copy selected links. I like to use Index Me Now. So you see I've already added in the home page when I set it up. Now this is a tool, I don't even know how it works. You have to buy credits and you just add your links in and it will charge you 50 credits. If the page that you're trying to get indexed doesn't get indexed by this tool, they refund the credit. And this has worked really well for my sites to get these pages indexed very quickly. So I'll save that and let that do its thing as well. And I'm not going to do it for all pages, but what I will do as well in Search Console is I'll inspect the home page and then request indexing whenever it does it, if it does it. And this is really it. I mean, there's not a huge amount to be said. We've done the internal linking. We've got sitemaps created for us automatically. We're submitting those to Google Search Console, and we're using a third-party tool to try and index the archive pages, because all of these pages here, links on those pages are already going to every page on the site, every golf course that we have. So that gives us a really good chance of getting a lot of golf courses indexed. And that's pretty much all there is to it. See, it already discovered the homepage, so that must be the RankMath's auto indexing API that has done that, because they've already found the homepage. So there's not much else to do in this video, so I'll leave it here, and in the next video I'll come back and have a quick browse and see what's going on, how many pages we've got indexed, and if we're getting any traffic, because I've set up Google Analytics so we can have a look and see what's going on there.